Every year, millions of people travel. They see things that take their breath away. They eat food they can't even name. They meet strangers who became stories they will tell for the rest of their lives. And most of them never share a single second of it. A small group of people decided to do something different. They picked up a camera, sometimes just a phone, and started documenting the world. Today, some of them have millions of followers. Some have turned a single trip into a full time career. So, what do they know that you don't? Travel blogging is one of the fastest growing content format on YouTube. According to a 2023 report by Statista, travel content generates over 100 billion views annually on the platform. But here's what most people don't even realize. Behind every 10-minute video is anywhere from 20 to 60 hours of work, filming, editing, writing, re-editing. Travel vlogging is not about where you go. It's about how you make someone feel like they were there with you, and that is a skill anyone can learn. Let's start with the question everyone asks first. What camera do I need? The honest answer, the one experienced travel vlogger gave, is this. Start with your phone. A modern smartphone, whether it's an iPhone, a Samsung, or even a mid range Android, shoots 4K video that would have been considered professional quality just a decade ago. The rule that every experienced creator will tell you, upgrade your skills before you upgrade your gear. Here is where travel vlogging is actually won or lost. Before a single frame is ever filmed, the best travel vloggers are, at their core, researchers and storytellers. They don't just show up at a destination and point a camera. They know the history. What is my angle? Are you exploring the budget side of a destination, the hidden gem, the food culture, the history? The more specific your angle, the more memorable your video.